Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use QR codes on Facebook Messenger to make sharing your profile quick and effortless. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and tap on Menu to access additional options within Messenger. This menu is your gateway to various settings and features that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. After tapping Menu, you'll notice several options appear. Now look at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a small QR code icon. This icon is specifically designed for generating and scanning QR codes within Messenger, making profile sharing much more convenient than manually searching for someone's name. Tap on this QR code icon to proceed. Once you tap it, your personal profile QR code will immediately appear on your screen. This unique code represents your Messenger profile and contains all the information someone needs to connect with you instantly. Think of it as a digital business card that can be scanned in seconds, eliminating the need to spell out your name or username. Now that your QR code is displayed, you'll see a share button right there on the screen. Click on Share to open up your sharing options. This is where you can decide how you want to distribute your QR code to others, giving you flexibility in how you connect with people. After clicking Share, you'll see two immediate options appear. The first is Copy, which allows you to copy your QR code to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you like. The second option is Quick Share, which provides a faster way to send your code directly to someone. Choose the method that works best for your situation. Additionally, you'll notice that other apps and platforms will also show up as sharing options. These include Messenger Chats, Facebook Feed, Facebook Your Groups, and Facebook Story. This integration means you can share your QR code across multiple platforms simultaneously, making it even easier for friends, colleagues, or customers to find and connect with you. Each of these options serves a different purpose depending on where your audience is most active. Once you've shared your QR code through any of these methods, the recipient simply needs to scan it using their own Messenger app. When they scan your code, they'll be taken directly to your profile where they can instantly start a conversation with you. This eliminates any confusion with similar names or having to type out complicated usernames. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate and share your Facebook Messenger QR code, making connections faster and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.